guys, I have a baby alive. I will comb her because it's tangled. I will dip her in the cold water on her eyes. She's tangled. Lots. The down is tangled, but the up is so smooth. This is so smooth. The top is smooth and then here it's tangled, but it's not smooth. I'll dip it in the cold water. Wow! Is that cool? No more. Yes. I will put it in the cold water, the nails. So cold. This is the before. And this is the after. No more. This is the before and after. But when you put cold water, it will transform to nail polish. Watch this. What? See? And the other one. Other one. Now. This is the result. Wait. And that's what the result is. Okay, guys. See you next time. Subscribe and learn for more.